Good morning children, how are you? Think all are fine children. This is Seta, welcome to IIT chemistry class. Children, previous class we all learnt about atomic radii. Atomic radii, what is atomic radii children? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell is called as atomic radii. We have discussed units also. Atomic radii expressed in angstrom unit value, picometer, angstrom unit, nanometer values also. Next, atomic radii divided into classified into three types. First type covalent radii, second type van der Waals radii, third type metallic radii or crystal radii. First radii, what children? Covalent radii. What is covalent bond? The mutual sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond. What is covalent radii? Covalent radii divided into two types. In a homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecule. And homonuclear diatomic molecule means same type atoms. If you take same type atoms, the distance between the two nucleus are bonded with a single bond. The distance between the two nucleus bonded with a single bond is known as that means covalent radii. How is find covalent radii? Same type. In a homonuclear diatomic molecule, the distance between the HCl2 nucleus, this distance is called as covalent radii. Okay, covalent radii. This is homonuclear diatomic molecule. Next, second type heteronuclear diatomic molecule means different type atoms. The distance between the two nucleus bonded with a single bond. This is called as heteronuclear diatomic molecule. This is heteronuclear diatomic molecule. This is homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule. Here bond length D A to A. Same type atoms no. A. This is A. D A to A. R A plus R A. The distance between this nucleus to this outermost shell. Next, the distance between this nucleus to this outermost shell. This distance R A. This distance R B. So bond length D A to B equals to 2RA. This is bond length of homonuclear diatomic molecule. Next, heteronuclear diatomic molecule in AB type. This is A molecule, this is B molecule. For example, hydrochloric acid. This example H2 molecule. H2. This one same type atoms, here different type atoms. Here bond length DA to B. DA to B equals to RA. This distance RA, this distance RB plus RB. This is bond length of heteronuclear molecule. This is bond length of homonuclear diatomic molecule. Next, one time this have another bond length. That time one element having less electronegativity and other element. For example, hydrochloric acid. In hydrogen having less electronegativity than chlorine. So chlorine having more electronegativity. That time you have to take one bond length formula. That formula DA to B equals to Ja minus Jb Ra plus Rb. So the one element less electronegativity than other element. That time you have to take one bond length formula. That bond length formula A to B equals to RA. A to B equals to RA plus RB minus 0.09 in Ja minus Jb. Here Jb means electronegativity of A element. Jb means electronegativity of B element. So in covalent radii divided into two types. Homonuclear diatomic molecule, heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule bond length D A to A equals to RA. Heteronuclear diatomic molecule bond length RA plus RB. Next, one element having less electronegativity than other element. That time you have to take one bond length. That formula D A to B equals to RA plus RB minus 0.09 into Ja minus Jb. Say Ja, Jb are equals to electronegativity of A element and electronegativity of B element. Covalent radii takes only non-metals. Okay, covalent radii based on non-metals. Next, second type what children? Covalent radii used for non-metals. Keep in your mind. Second radii, Van der Waals radii. Van der Waals radii means the distance between the two neighboring molecules. That distance is called as Van der Waals radii. Van der Waals radii takes only solid particles. Takes in solid particles. Next, Van der Waals radii. Next, metallic radii. What is metallic radii or crystal radii? Metal in a crystal lattice. In a crystal lattice, we have to take crystal lattice like this. Crystal lattice, the crystal lattice having metals, no. The distance between the two metals, the distance is called as crystal radii or metallic radii. Metallic radii used for only metals. Metallic radii used for only metal. The distance between the two adjacent metals. This known as metallic radii. Okay. Next, the relation between the metallic radii and Van der Waals radii and covalent radii. What is the relation? Which one? Van der Waals radii. Van der Waals. The relation between the Van der Waals radii and which one more? Van der Waals radii is less than metallic radii. Metallic radii is less than covalent radii. Covalent radii. Which one having more distance? Van der Waals radii. Van der Waals radii, the atomic radii, the difference between atomic radii of Van der Waals radii, metallic radii and covalent radii. Which one having more distance? Van der Waals radii, after that metallic radii, after that covalent radii. Keep in your mind now. Okay. Covalent radii used for non-metals. Metallic radii used for metals. Next, Van der Waals used for solid metals or non-metals. Solid type metals or non-metals, no problem. Okay, up to here, up to types we discuss finish. No, now we are discuss various atomic radii in periods and groups. Periodic table, you know now how many periods, how many groups we have? 7 periods, 18 groups. Next, various atomic radii periods. What is definition of atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. The distance is called as atomic radii. What is definition of atomic radii? This is one atom. The atom having nucleus. The nucleus to outermost shell. This distance is called as atomic radii. Atomic radii in periods. Various atomic radii in periods. If periods, if you have to take left to right. Left to right is called as that means horizontal rows. Horizontal rows are called periods. If you take periods left to right. See now left to right. First element beryllium, next boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay. If you take up to fluorine, no problem. See, this is which period? Second period. Beryllium, magnesium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Lithium. One element is there, no? Lithium. So, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. This is one period. Which period? This one. Second period. Second period having how many elements? 8 elements, no? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. From left to right, atomic number is increased. Yes or no? Atomic number increase or not? Here beryllium, hydrogen, lithium 3, beryllium 4. Atomic number hydrogen, helium, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine. Don't write now. Listen carefully. Fluorine 9. Atomic number is in periods from left to right. In periods from left to right. From left to right. In periods from left to right. Atomic number is increased. Keep in your mind. Atomic number is increase. In this symbol, this one increase. This symbol indicate increase. The left to right atomic number is increased. Keep in your mind. In periods from left to right atomic number is increased. See now, example second period atomic number Here lithium 3 to up to 9 atomic number is increased. Atomic size, first find atomic radii, that means atomic radii or atomic size. From left to right, in periods from left to right, atomic number is increased. Atomic radii is decreased. Why? Because listen here, lithium how is that electronic configuration? 1s2 2s1. Here beryllium 1s2 2s2. Here boron 1s2 2s2 2p1. Next carbon electronic configuration 1s2 lithium beryllium boron 1s2 2s2 2p1. Carbon 1s2 2s2 2p1. Next nitrogen 1s2 2s2 2p3. Next oxygen electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4. Next fluorine electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5. Okay, each atom having, this is first shell, second shell, first shell, second shell, first shell, second shell. Each element having only 2 cells. So this is the atom. Lithium atom having how many cells? 2 cells. Okay, lithium having 2 cells. Beryllium also having 2 cells. Lithium, second period elements, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. After I write electronic configuration according to molar diagram. What is that electronic configuration? According to molar diagram, I write electronic configuration. Due to before number denoted number of cells. Here n equal 1 first shell, here second shell. Here first shell, second shell. Here first shell, second shell. First shell, second shell. Here first shell having how many electrons? 2 electrons. Here second shell 1 electron. Here first shell 2 electrons, second shell 2 electrons. Third shell 2 electrons, 2, 1. Next here, here how many electrons is there? 2, 1s2 2s2 2p1, 1s2 2s2 2p2, sorry carbon 6. Here 2, 1s2 2s2 2p3. Next here 7, 1s2 2s2 2p4, 8, 1s2 2s2 2p5, 9. Okay, here how many electrons is there? 2, 3. Here how many electrons is there? 2, 4. Here 2, 5. Okay. First shell having 3 electrons, second shell 4 electrons. First element 3 electrons, second element 4 electrons. Next element 5 electrons. Next 6 electrons up to. The atomic number is increased. Number of electrons also increased. So every atom having 2 cells. Okay, here having 2 cells. This element, this is next boron element having 2 cells. Next carbon having, carbon element also having 2 cells. Okay, next this is carbon atom. This is nitrogen atom. Next oxygen atom. Next fluorine atom. Every atom having 2 cells only. Lithium, this is beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So every atom having 2 cells only. But in this lithium element, how many electrons? First shell having how many electrons? This is nucleus, no? First shell having this 1 electron, 2 electrons. First shell having 2 electrons, second shell having 1 electron only. Listen to me carefully, Nana. See the border of you. This is nucleus. This dot symbol denoted center of the nucleus. Okay, this is lithium element. Lithium element having how many electrons in first shell? This is 2 electrons, second shell having 1 electron. This element first shell having 2 electrons, second shell having 2 electrons. Okay. Next, third element boron. Boron first shell having 2 electrons, second shell having how many electrons? 3 electrons. Here 1, 3. Okay. Next element carbon. Carbon first shell having 2 electrons, second shell having 4 electrons. 4 electrons. Next, nitrogen. First shell having 2 electrons, next shell having how many electrons? 5 electrons. Okay. Okay. Next, first having 2 electrons. First having 2 electrons. Next having 6 electrons. 2s2, 2p4. How many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last having 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See now, which atom having more electrons? Which atom having more electrons? Listen to me carefully. So first atom having plus 3 electrons. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen, what is atomic radii? In periods, variation of atomic radii in periods. In periods, left to right atomic number is increased. Atomic radii decrease. Why? Because atomic radii is decreased. Why? Because the valence electron enter into the same shell. Valence electron enter into the same shell. That's why size decrease. Size decrease. For example, first bench having 1 children. But next, if you added 5 children, how many children? 6 children. So size decrease. But members is increase. Sufficient that bench. Only 4 members sufficient that bench. If you add 10 members, that time size decrease. Okay, do you understand now? The atomic number is increased, atomic radii decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size decrease. So first atom having 2 electrons, 3 electrons only. Second atom 4 electrons. Third atom 5 electrons. Fifth atom 6 electrons. 7 atom 7 electrons. Next atom 8 electrons. Next last atom having how many electrons? 9 electrons. If atomic number is increased, valence electrons also increase. So atomic number is increased, valence electrons also increase. So size will be decreased. Why? Because the valence electrons enter into the same cell. So here only this cell having 1 electron, but this cell having 6 electrons. That's why size decrease. Do you understand now? From left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic size decrease. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell, size decrease. Why? Because valence electrons increase. The electrons enter into the same shell. That's why size decrease. Okay. From left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic radii or size decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size decrease. Size decrease. There is no any space. Why? Because electrons will increase, size decrease. Valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size increase. Do you understand now? Valence electron means last cell electrons. Here first shell having 3 electrons, last shell having 9 electrons. If atomic number is increased, valence electrons also increase. Valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why atomic radii or atomic size will be decreased. Here distance is more distance. Here distance less distance. Why? Because more size from left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic size decrease. Why? Because valence electrons enter into the same cell. First atom having more size. First atom having more size. Why? Because less electrons having more size. Next thoroughly atomic size decrease. Atomic size decrease. The distance also decrease. The distance also decrease. So atomic number is increased. Atomic size decrease. Now from left to right, atomic size decrease. Atomic size decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size will be decreased. Atomic number is in various periods from left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic radii is decreased. Why? Because the valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size decrease. Do you understood now? Do you understood? Okay. Once again I repeat. What is atomic radii definition? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell is called as atomic radii. Various periods from left to right. That means horizontal rows are called periods. Periods from left to right, atomic number is increased, because the valence electron enter into the same cell, last cell. The valence electron enter into the new electron enter into the same cell. That's why size decrease. Okay. Next, Synonyms values. Atomic radii values. Atomic radii values in Armstrong unit. Synonym, which one having more value? If atomic size is decrease, atomic radii increase. Atomic size, here lithium atomic size more. Atomic number is increase, atomic size more. Which one? Lithium more. So the atomic radii, which one more? Lithium is more. Why? Because here fluorine value 0.72. Next oxygen value, oxygen atomic value 0.73. Nitrogen atomic value 0.75. Carbon atomic value 0.77. Boron atomic value 0.82. Beryllium atomic value 0.89. Lithium atomic value 1.23. So here atomic number is atomic from left to right. Atomic number is increased. Atomic size, that means atomic radii decrease. Atomic radii decrease from left to right. From left to right, atomic number is increase, but atomic size, atomic radii or size, atomic radii is increase. Okay, Nana, don't confuse. So which one having more size? Lithium having more size. Lithium having 1.23. Atomic radii values, radii which one more? Lithium is more. Okay? Do you understand now? From periods left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic size decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. Valence electron enter into the same cell. So atomic radii is decrease. Do you understand Nana? In various now periods from left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic radii is decrease. Atomic radii is decrease. What is the definition of atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Why atomic radii decrease? From left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic size decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size decrease. So atomic radii also decrease. From left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic radii decrease. Keep in your mind, along write down these points. After that, draw this table and write down values also. Keep in your mind, in various of atomic radii periods, from horizontal rows are called periods. And periods left to right, atomic number is increased, atomic radii decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size will be decrease. Okay, Nana? Do you understood? Thank you. See you next class.